This is high class. I mean, they got the drip drip.
So don't slip.
But let's see what's off up in this box. The cap for wigs. And I know y'all see what's going on right here, honey. My face is big like it's been running in and out and in and out and in and out. Cause see, I was neutral on the lip because I didn't want them organs. Let's see this wig. The elastic is detachable. Hey, that's track right there. You don't have to do any plucking. You don't have to do any bleaching. They've already done it for you.
You don't have to spend hours and hours and hours.
Look how they did that for you. Don't have all day, but you need your edges to lay. Hey, hey.
I wanna give you your flowers.
Yeah, that's my little song. Uh-huh. Am I? Okay.
Together the world would be ours.
Y'all better be real glad I can't sing good and ignorant, cause honey, I would have hours and hours y'all to pieces, honey. Y'all would have been so tired of hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. Child, I like that little song. Hey, cousin, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with this lady today. Hey, hey. Y'all, I've had this wig. I'm so happy to finally get to bring it to you because it's from Wild African. I fool with Wild African because I love their lace, and I know y'all see what's going on right here, honey. My face is big like it's been running in and out and in and out and in and out. So we about to get to this wig right after I show love to my subscriber of the day. Bam! Cousin on my YouTube side. Hey. Oh, cousin, you the bomb. This wig has been brought to you by Wild African. Y'all, I love their package sauce. It is so entirely cute. And y'all, this feels so good. This box is real high class. The vendors better step their boxes up because this is high class. I mean, they got the drip drip.
So don't slip.
But let's see what's off up in this box. Ooh, they said all of our products are crafted with an obsessive attention to detail. They letting you know it's not a game. You think it is, it's not. I got little alligator clips, y'all. You know I have a love-hate relationship with these alligator clips, honey, since that one popped me in my eye. I ain't been the same since. Wig cap. The cap for wigs. I have a Wild African comb. I got an edge holder downer. An edge holder downer. This holds your edges down when you need to get around. Hey, don't have all day, but you need your edges to lay. Hey, hey, edge holder downer. I said edge holder downer. Bam, got one of those. Now, let's see this wig. I'm excited, guys, because I forgot what. Ooh. Chad, this thing is blonde. Let me know, my MUA cousins. When you wearing blonde hair, can you be ignorant about the eyes? Cause see, I was neutral on the lip because I didn't want them organs. So I listen to y'all. But I ombre blonde, so it has dark roots.
Yes.
6 to 8 inches, HD, lace, clean hairline. They are definitely in my top 3 with lace.
Y'all know my top 3 favorites.
I mention that sometimes. I'm not going to cross brand and mention other vendors because that's ignorant. Honey, this is so cute. It says 6 to 8 inches. Some parts, like back here, the little short parts are 6. And then if you go a little bit longer, that's like 8. Wild African has great hair, y'all. Really nice vendor when it comes to that. Y'all, I'm about to throw this on. I'm so hyped. I'm just ready to put this thing on my head. So we have comb. We have a comb right there. The adjustable strap. And we have the elastic for a nice snug fit. And yes, the elastic is detachable. Hey, there's lace on the bike. And I'm gonna cut that off. Y'all see that? These knots are bleached. They bleached the knots, honey. That means a seamless transition from wig to scalp. As seamless as it can be with wigs. You know what I'm saying? That's what you want. Unless you plan on bleaching your own knots, spending all that time doing all that. That's passe. I don't do that. I can't remember the last time I bleached knots, y'all. I ain't lying. It's been years. Y'all, this is so cute. This is so cute. I could throw some color on this too. If I was to throw some color on this, what color would y'all like to see on this wig? Because I might. Look how they pluck that hairline for you. That's something else you don't have to do. Let me just put it on my head so y'all can really see. And that's great. Y'all, look at this. I just want to show y'all this hairline. I need y'all to see this. Look at that. Just look at the hairline. Look how they got that plucked. Look how they did that for you. They've already done the work, so you don't have to spend hours and hours and hours.
You don't have to spend hours and hours and hours.
You don't have to do any plucking. You don't have to do any bleaching. They've already done it for you. Okay, first impression, this is very interesting. But I am very inspired with this. But look, let me just show y'all. Come up on y'all. Like we finna fight. Come up on. Y'all, why am I so bright? It's too late now, y'all. I can't even change it because it's going to look weird now. I can't even fix my lighting because it's going to look really strange. Look at that. Let me pull this out. Look at that hairline. I ain't lying to y'all. I told y'all. 𝐸𝐢𝐠𝐬, 𝐸𝐢𝐠𝐬, roll call. Now that's track right there. That's track right there. So you want to come around if you want to get that deep side part. There you go. You can do that right there. This is the back of it. I don't have it clipped, so it's not like, you know, lying as flat as it could. And I have a ponytail right there. Okay, we just about to style it. Yo. Y'all, it feels good. There's no tangles. There's no shedding as you would come to expect, especially from a vendor like Wild African. Very nice quality hair. Let's do it, Let's get to it. Let's go.